Hello and welcome everyone. This is gonna show you here on this video how you actually start to fix crosshair in Valorant. It's gonna be really satisfied on the progress where is everyone going on through the ways that we are going to start from. All you need to do is about follow this video. You can actually start to go to click here on right top corner on settings. Once you click on settings on this stuff, we kinda started to right click to see here to go for examples. We're about this crosshair. So once you go to click on this crosshair, you're gonna find out the place where it's about to be on the primary. Just to click on the primary, click on reset here to default. Once you click on it, you're gonna see that crosshair would be fixed. So this element emits legend. You can have also this kind of problem if you have. So if you just click on reset crosshair to default, you can actually create a new profile crosshair like ABC, then click on reset to default. It's gonna absolutely start to give your crosshair to normal if the first option didn't work. So that's all about to help you.